Today we are looking at adverbs. They make our work so much more interesting and can really up-level our work in Year 2. So what is an adverb? An adverb describes a verb, and we know that a verb is an action, a doing word. So an adverb tells you all about a verb. It can tell you where, why, or how much something is done. So can we spot the adverb? Saeed walked quickly, that's our sentence. We need to find our action straight away, our verb, which is walked. And quickly, there's our adverb. It's describing how Saeed walked. It's describing the action. So our verb is in red, and then our adverb is in green. So describing how he walked. Saeed walked quickly. Okay, let's have another go. Our next sentence. Emma talked eagerly. Again, we need to find our verb, which is going to be talked. That's our doing word. And then find the word that describes how Emma talked. So our verb is in red, and then our adverb is eagerly, describing the way in which Emma talked, Emma spoke. Okay, so most verbs are made by just adding ly onto the end of the root word. So you might have Fred sang loudly. Loudly is your adverb there, it's describing how Fred is singing. Sarah waved slowly. So there we go, we've got ly on the end of slow, and slowly is our adverb describing how Sarah waved. Okay, some examples of some adverbs. Enthusiastically, that's a really good one to use. Cheerfully, joyfully, so all of these end in ly. Seriously, urgently, softly, gently, kindly, and endlessly. So all end in ly and can be used to describe a verb, so to describe how something is done. Can you find the adverbs? So we've got a sentence here. Tom painted his picture beautifully. So straight away we need to find our verb, our action. In that sentence it's going to be painted. That's what Tom is doing. And our adverb, so our clue was words that end in ly. So we can see beautifully, ends in ly, and it's describing how Tom painted his picture. Our next sentence. Annie quickly brushed her hair. So our verb, our action in that sentence is brush. That's what Annie's doing. And the word being used to describe it is quickly. So really quickly, Annie is brushing her hair. Let's see if we can have another go. Nina swam bravely without armbands. So our verb, our doing word is swam. And our adverb in that one is bravely. So again, it ends in ly, and it's describing exactly how she swam. There we go. Next one. Ben rode his bike happily to school. So we want to find the verb, which is rode, so past tense of ride. And the adverb there is going to end in ly again, and it's going to be happily. He rode his bike happily to school. It's describing how he's riding a bike. Okay, so next time we are going to be looking at commas. Thank you very much for watching.